I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the easy links between apps and your position. In Settings, switch off device location and high-accuracy GPS modes. This prevents constant triangulation. Next, open Privacy or App Permissions and revoke location access for non-essential apps, making core apps ask every time. Once done, clear cached location history from maps and system services so old breadcrumbs vanish. Do this now so apps can no longer track you passively or refine profiles using background location data. Now you focus on wireless signals that leak your presence. Turn on airplane mode or manually disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when idle, because probes and beacons reveal devices. Make sure Wi-Fi auto-join is off and remove remembered networks so your phone stops seeking known hotspots. When you must use a network, enable a reputable VPN to encrypt traffic and mask destination data. Prioritize cellular data over open Wi-Fi. These steps reduce passive network-based tracking and limit persistent identifiers from being harvested. Finish with deeper system hygiene so tracking can't rebuild itself. Turn off advertising ID and reset it. Disable personalized ads and deny sensor access where possible. Those identifiers feed trackers. Set a strong PIN or biometrics, ensure full disk encryption is active, and install system updates to close leaks. Make sure apps are minimal and sideloading is off. If tracking persists, check paired devices and change account passwords. If compromise continues, back up essentials and perform a factory reset to remove hidden monitoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.